Pag ano, binibigyan ko sila ng ulam. Pinapalitan naman nila yun. Binibigyan ako ng mantika.
Mga kailangan mo din.
I think that was,
You excited, honey?
yes,
It's your farewell party tonight.
I know, my leaving party.
Yeah.
Yeah. I need some photos for my brother. He wants photos of family. I'm sure you'll sense it.
Ay, dalawa na lang pala. Oh, ano mo na si Maring Rika?
Kanin na lang dito.
Huwag na, doon na lang yung rice.
Na sobrang
Ano gagawin mo dyan, Dad?
Na
Adobo.
pwede rin na adobo.
Dyan, anong gagawin mo dyan?
Ito kawali. Kakainin natin.
Woo!
Ay, tikman mo.
Tikman mo.
Ito, naibalat.
Okay. Cholesterol na naman. Thank you.
Hi.
Chicharon.
Hi, thank you so much. Welcome. I actually go in the mall. It's very unfortunate that I do not like what they're displaying in the mall. I wish to buy you some clothes there because it would be nice.
Expensive.
Very expensive.
Shrimp pasta. Sisig. Saka dinuguan. Honey, what you doing?
Slicing steak again.
Again. Yabang. Penoy! Penoy!
Kaya mas tam dito kasi bako kayo nandito.
Penoy!
May sila ng TV, no?
Hindi naman.
Gusto mo ba ako kaya to? Mukha ni Tenno. Hi! 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 Ay, may baby mo? Akala mo mayaman ka. Video, ang tagal yan. Ayan. Okay, ayan na! Ito na! Si Mama! Wow! Parang filter na filter na. Ano ba yan? Grabe naman filter yan. Ay, kailangan, girl. Isa ba naman kasi naman yung gumawa niya ito naman? Oh, taray! Ang picture ko talaga yan. Naubos na yung energy ko. Ano yung 4th year college? Master. 2019 to 20. 17 to 19. Ano ba ito? Pareho lang eh. Hindi kayang palakihin, dinalawa na lang. Walang smile. Taray, filter.
Parang paisa. Ang taray, Koreana. Puro edit na edit naman yan. Baka lang to.
Ay, hindi pa. Ito naman talaga yung leg ko. Leg lang.
Thank you, Peter. Thank you. Thank you. Have a safe flight.
Thank you.
Thank you. Entrance fee. Sarado na yung restaurant namin. Napakatatagal yung dalawa.
Ilang isang kapaya pa po?
13. Kaya ka nung makapag-isip.
Bye!